I am hungry, Maya. Let's make a snack.
Good idea. Let's cut some apples.
I can use this big knife. It is sharp.
Stop! Leo and Maya, come here. Kitchens are fun, but they can also be dangerous.
We just wanted a snack, Mom.
I know, but knives are for adults. Never touch a sharp knife. And look at the stove. It is very hot. No, Maya, never touch the stove. It can burn you. Watch me. I am cutting the apple slowly and carefully.
You are careful, Mom.
Yes. Now let's learn the rules. Rule number 1, knives are for adults. Always ask for help. Rule number 2, do not touch the stove. It is very hot.
Okay, Mom. I will ask for help. And I will stay away from the hot stove.
Good job. Here is your snack.
Thank you, Mom. We are safe now.
Remember, safety first.
Remember our rules. Ask for help and stay safe.